You and your father nearly died that night. All because I couldn't kill a dragon. Do you still believe in him?
Of course. I wish he did.
You do,
But
bud.
he
You
thinks
really
he's
have
nothing
me worried
without
there.
Toothless.
Why couldn't I have killed that dragon when I found him in the woods? Would have been better for everyone.
Yep, the rest of us would have done it. So why didn't you?
I'm actually the one who shot him down. Hey, it's okay though. You got me back. Right, bud? You couldn't save all of me, could you? You just had to make it even.
Even as a boy, I knew what I was, what I had to become. Hiccup is not that boy.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Look, the point is, stop trying so hard to be something you're not.
I just want to be one of you guys. I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself.
Well, he's gonna be able to fly without you. Wow, what a great gift. What if he never comes back?
It's okay.
What am I saying? Of course he will.
You're as beautiful as the day I lost you. I'm sorry for everything. Hiccup! No! Son!
Dad! No!
Maybe a change for you someday, but I can't help the way I feel.
I did this.
It's good
I did this.
Dad,
that I could
are you gonna get us a new map?
give you my love now, but I need
But with love comes loss. It's part of the deal. Sometimes it hurts, but in the end, there's no greater gift than love. It's your responsibility, Darslan. You must feed him and care for him until he's able to fly free and return to the wild.